Previously, I mentioned about Bill Gates saying that maybe sooner than people would have thought, some jobs will be taken by artificial intelligence. I think he named teachers and doctors in his example. You can go back to the video to have a listen. Now he says he predicts a 2-day work week as AI is set to replace humans for most jobs within a decade. So now he thinks within 10 years, a lot of jobs will be replaced, and which will mean um, because they're lost, then people won't be doing those jobs. So that's why there's going to be apparently a 2-day work week, a future of full weekends, 3-day weeks, and the death of the classic 9 to 5 may not be as far off as it sounds, according to Microsoft founder and tech visionary Bill Gates. Artificial intelligence is poised to reshape the global workforce, potentially reducing the standard work week to just 2 days within the next decade. This is from the economicstimes.com. One thing first thing I want to say is, for a long time, for a few years, the idea of a 4-day work week has been mentioned, and people keep saying they're trialing it and they're trialing it. And we're struggling to get a 4-day work week where people are suggesting you'd work 4 days, you'd work the same hours but in 4 days instead of five, and you'd get paid the same. That's barely happened. So I don't know why he thinks that we're gonna magically get 2 days, even if it's with artificial intelligence. I don't think that's gonna happen. And if it does happen, then the questions are raised. If someone is working 2 days a week, or if a lot of people are working 2 days a week, and let's be optimistic and say they're working 10-hour days, or let's say they're working 12-hour days, so they're working 24 hours a week. Is that gonna, and let's say they're earning minimum wage, is that gonna be enough with the current minimum wage to be sustainable to pay for the rent, the electricity, the heating, food, and whatever else with prices going up? So then questions will be raised with, if that did happen, what would happen to society where many people, perhaps not those who are self-employed, but generally people who are employed, if they are working 2 days a week, and let's say, and many people will not be working 12 hours a day. So, but I'm using this as an optimistic example. If they work 12 hours a day, then they were working 24 hours a week. How will they be able to pay for things? But it's interesting to see that this is something that he's predicted already. It'll be interesting to see what happens in the next few years.